Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. You're welcome back to With Oluwapelumi. If it's your first time stopping on this vlog, my name is Oluwapelumi and I am a lawyer and a business analyst based in Lagos, Nigeria. And on this channel I like to share things about my generation, and also I like to share tidbits about tech in Nigeria. And so if this is something that interests you, something that you like, content that you like, please do well to keep watching the vlog, and please do well to subscribe and tell a friend to tell a friend. And if you're an oldie, like I always say, what's good, what's popping, you're welcome back. In today's vlog, right, first things first, I'm going to have to thank every one of you that watched the last vlog, the first vlog that launched my tech series. As I said before, I'm a business analyst, so I'm in the tech space. Thank you for watching that vlog. If you haven't watched that vlog, please do well to watch the previous vlog where I shared how to get into tech in 2022, the things that you should be mindful of, the things that will prepare your mind to getting into tech in 2022. And like I promised, I'm not a promise and fail, I promise that I'm going to be having like a bunch of tech series, and I'm a girl of my words, and so I'm back with a follow-up episode. I'm going to see for how long I'll be able to do this tech series. It's a never-ending process actually, so if I find new ideas on tech or business analysis, I'm going to come here to come and share with you guys. I'm not just saying. So today I'm going to be giving you we're going to be talking about how to get into tech without coding. So I'm going to be examining about 5 to 6 jobs that you can get in tech today without coding. Number one job that you can get in tech without coding, of course, the number one has to be business analyst or business analysis, because I'm a business analyst. So pardon me if I'm partial, but okay. So the number one job is business analyst. Right, so this is one job coming from, like I shared in my previous vlog, for somebody that was a lawyer. You definitely know that I did not do coding, although I trained to become a business analyst. And by the way, I already have my first job as a business analyst. So although I trained, but no coding whatsoever was required, because it was one thing for me. I'm like, my brain cannot carry coding. I'm a lawyer for a reason. So I was very weary of that. I wanted to play on my strengths as a person, and I knew that coding would not cut it for me. I'd be frustrated easily. So definitely I was on the lookout for a course like business analysis, and it pretty much clicked. So business analyst and being a business analyst pretty much entails getting information. Let me paint a picture. Say you want to set up an app, or you were working on a project to set up a certain type of app. So the job of a business analyst is basically to ensure that all the requirements required from all channels, the business analyst understands what the business owner wants, or the product owner, what the product owner wants, and translates these requirements, documents it, translates them in such a way that the developers, the UI UX, the development team is able to understand those requirements, and the business analyst ensures that these requirements are brought into fruition, such that the ideas that the business owner has, the business analyst helps to translate it to the development team. So it's like a bridge. That succinctly speak, that's what the job of a business analyst is. Now, this does not mean that in terms of documentation, of course, the business analyst has a lot of tools that you work with. So it's not that you're just typing on MS Word. No. You have a couple of tools in the tech world that you have to make do with. You have tools like Jira, you have tools like Figma, you have tools like LucidChat, and what have you. So I hope that helps. So if you're thinking of going into business analyst, if you like to communicate with people, you're good with communicating with people, you're good with listening to people, you're good with communicating ideas succinctly, English, then you just might consider business analysis. And I noticed that quite a lot of lawyers are going into business analysis. So I guess it's because of the already inherent traits that we have as lawyers. So you might want to consider that. So the number 2 job, which is my favorite, or number 2 role, which is one of my favorites actually, if I wasn't a business analyst, I'll probably consider this role, is UI UX designer. I love this guy so much, and as one of my trainings, this might not apply to every business analyst. One of my trainings from where I trained for, I will get into where I trained for in case people are interested in a later, maybe in my next blog I will get into that. We were kind of trained, I was trained to understand the process of designing UI UX, so it kind of made me appreciate the process of designing. Pretty much understood how to do some UI UX work, so it pretty much made me appreciate them. So UI UX basically are all about the interface of the app. So you see, when you open Instagram and you can slide and you can like, and you press the like button and it likes, and you swipe and it takes you to your DMs. That's the job of a UI UX. So they tell you, they give a picture of what the interface will look like. So they're all about customer experience. What type of experience will our customers get when they use this? The colors, the fonts, the everything. They're all about the experience. So sometimes when you use an app and oh, I love this app, it's really that's the work of a UI UX designer. So I kind of like that, because I feel like sometimes I'm low-key jealous of them. I'm like, because I feel like the like bunch of creative geniuses. Do you understand what I'm saying? So UI UX is definitely a job to look out for in tech that definitely does not require coding. So if that's something that interests you, you should look out for that. My number 3 role that definitely does not require coding is project management or project managers. So these are the guys that set up tasks. Say a project has been assigned to a team, or a team is handling a project. These are the guys that set up timelines, they set up tasks, they ensure that the project is flowing as it should. They are there to remind you that, oh, this is the timeline that this project has. They are there to ensure that, to ask that the project is flowing as it should. What are the blockers that you have? How can I help? What are the problems that the developer is experiencing? What is delaying the project? Why is the project not moving as it should? Basically, so they manage the project in simple terms. They manage the project from beginning. They make sure that everybody is working on their task. So if you're the BA and you're working on a elicitation and you've given a timeline to say this is when that you will be handling you finish your elicitation, they are there to ask you, BA, what's up? You told us you were going to do this, so what's up? From last time you told us to now, what has moved? Why hasn't it moved? So they ask lots of questions. They have a lot of questions to ask as to what, why, and how. So they ask, what are you doing? Why haven't you done it? How do you need help, or how do you intend to do it? Basically, those are their major questions that I see them asking a lot. Yeah. So basically, if you like, I feel like a lot of people that love organizing stuff. So if you are currently an event planner, you might want to play on this. I think one of their major tool is Jira, because it helps them to plan and assign tasks and all that. It helps them monitor tasks within the team. So if this is something that you like, and I'm a big fan of playing on what you naturally have. If you like to organize things naturally, project manager is the best role for you, and you do not require coding. Number 4 job role that does not require coding that I also love a lot. So if I wasn't a BA in a UI UX, I'd probably be a product marketer. I'm not in marketing to an extent, I am sure, but I love product marketing because I feel like there are also a bunch of people that need to understand the audience. So what they do is how to market the product. You see that project that you, or the product that you, the BA, is working on, that's UI UX that you are designing, that thing that the developer is working on. If there's no audience to accept it, what are you doing? So that's the work of a product marketer. They ensure that whatever solution has been provided, whatever solution or project or product has been created, they ensure that it gets to the end consumer. So they ensure that they see how they can sell it and market it, just as the word implies, sell it and market it to the end user in such a way that it becomes acceptable by the general public, and the general public understands the importance of it and begin to consider it and begin to purchase it. Yes, so succinctly put, that's the word of a product marketer. So, and I feel like people that are already in digital marketing, people that are already in the marketing line, that's the perfect place for you. If you're looking at to transition into tech, and that's the perfect place for you, because that's already in your line. So just carry yourself, upgrade, upskill, and voila, you're a product marketer. My number 5 and the final job role that does not require tech and you can get in 2022 is product manager. These ones are aka product owners. They are the ones that come up with the product. They have a vision. So as a BA, for example, if you remember that I mentioned that a BA works with the product owner to understand what the product owner wants. So the product owner is the one that understands the vision of the product. Say within an organization, for example, different teams have depending on what your company or your organization looks like. But basically, they are the ones that are saddled with the responsibility of giving a vision of what this project is looking like. So as a BA, for example, I'm asking the product owner / product manager and saying, what do you want? What is this product all about? What is this project all about? What is your vision about it? What's the end result? What do you intend to achieve with this project and product? So these are the questions that I have for the product owner, and that the product owner has ready answers for me, because in honesty, they understand what they want and what they want it to look like. They might not necessarily have the know-how or technological to really understand this. Half of the time they just know that they want to be able to do this and this and this and this and this, and at the end of the day they know that this is the vision that they have in their head. So every of the team members kind of has to align with the vision that they have pictured. Pretty much it. And it requires zero coding. So if it's something that you're interested in, there's no excuse to getting into coding in 2022. That's your strength. Put it to use. You like to talk, you like to organize things, you like to see things beautiful, you like to everything. There's pretty much every one role or the other just for you, just waiting for you to come and snatch it and upskill. Just upskill and you'll be ready for it. So in my next video, I'll probably be delving more into business analysis and how to upskill to become a business analyst in 2022. Thank you for making it till the end of the vlog, and I am sure that you learned a thing or two and knowledge was impacted, because that's the sole aim for creating this vlog. My intention is to share as much knowledge as I have, and please share your thoughts in the comment section. If you're already working in the line of these roles or you're currently upskilling, share your thoughts and your comments and your questions in the comment section, and I'll be glad to answer as much as I can. So thank you guys, thank you for watching, thank you for sharing, thank you for subscribing. I'm nudging you to subscribe if you haven't. Thank you. thank you for the love, and I hope that this channel keeps growing and growing and growing and growing and growing and growing and growing. There's no stop. You only grow here. Thank you guys. Until my next vlog, it's a love and light, hugs and kisses with Oluwapelomi from Oluwapelomi. Adios.